Today, we're tackling a common plumbing problem, a leaky compression faucet. So, if that dripping faucet is driving you crazy, follow along as I show you how to repair it and get your peace and quiet back. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Don't worry, this is a fairly simple fix that most deers can handle with a few basic tools. As always, safety is paramount. Before you begin, turn off the water supply to the faucet. Locate the shut-off valve, which is usually located under the sink or behind the wall. Turn the valve clockwise until it stops completely. Open the faucet to release any remaining pressure. Packing nut. This is the nut located at the base of the faucet handle. If the leak is coming from here, it indicates worn-out valve stem packing. Washer. If the leak is around the handle itself, the washer needs replacement. Place the rag under the faucet to catch any drips. Use the adjustable wrench or packing nut wrench to loosen the packing. Nut turn counterclockwise. Be careful not to over-tighten it later. Remove the old valve stem packing with your fingers or a screwdriver. Wrap the threads of the valve stem with a few turns of the new packing in a clockwise direction. Tighten the packing nut back up with the wrench, ensuring a snug fit but not over-tightening it. Turn on the water supply and open the faucet to check for leaks. If it's still dripping, slightly tighten the packing nut further. Use the flathead screwdriver to pry off the faucet handle cap. Be gentle to avoid damaging it. Some handles might require a Phillips screw under the cap. Remove that screw as well. Now, you should see the handle screw and the washer. Use the adjustable wrench to loosen the handle screw counterclockwise. Carefully remove the handle and the old washer. Replace the washer with a new one of the same size and type. Reinstall the handle, washer, and screw. Tighten the screw snugly with the wrench. 10. Replace the handle cap and tighten any screws if applicable. Turn on the water supply and open the faucet to check for leaks. Tighten the packing nut or handle screw slightly if necessary. You've successfully repaired your leaky faucet and saved yourself some money on a plumber. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY content. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.